Hello class, welcome back. So today we're going to do revisions for chapter 7, coordinates. Okay, so please look at questions 1. Okay, in this questions 1, questions require you to calculate the distance between the point J and also the point K with the given coordinate. Okay, by completing the steps below, okay, you can look at these equations when this one is a square root. Okay, if you calculate distance. Okay, here we're going to have x1 minus x2, right? Do you still remember inside the bracket? So here they already written there 7, and that means this one already substitute. So the next number will be this one, where this one is x2. So make sure you put bracket, okay, for -5, and then next number here you can see the 2 already written. That means the 2 for this. Okay, that means they assume that this one is point number 2. So point number 1 we are going to substitute -3 in bracket. Okay, in bracket. So after that, 7 minus -5. 7 minus -5 will be, okay, the negative will become plus. So you will get 12, right? Okay, so here you're going to write as 12. Okay, 12 square is 144, 144. -5 square is 25. That means you are correct and you are right. Okay, then after you sum out, square root of 169 will be 13 units. Okay, that's it for questions 1A. Quite easy, and the marks is 4 marks. Okay, questions B. Okay, if you already understand for questions A, I think questions B won't be a problem for you. Okay, so what you have to do first, I think you better write the coordinates for all the points so that you won't do mistakes when you do calculation. Okay, so we start with P, the coordinate of P. What is the coordinate of P? Okay, will be -3. Remember, we have to read for the X first, and then the Y. The coordinate follow here, here, and here. So it's -3 and -2. Okay, next will be Q. The coordinate for Q is 2. Okay, X first, remember. Okay, -1 for Y. Q and then R, -2 and 4. And the last one S will be 5, 2. Okay, because it's on the 5 and then 2. Okay, so next we're going to find what is the distance between the point PQ. Okay, so look at the point P and Q. Okay, remember the coordinates. So I'm going to apply the formula to calculate distance, which is square root. So will be x1 minus x2. So it depends on you which one you prefer. So as a 1, 0.1 and 0.2. So let's say I take P as 0.1, Q as 0.2, and then we substitute -3 minus 2 square plus -3 minus 2, you can see from here, and then -2 for P, this one for y1 minus bracket -1. Okay, because there's negative, that's why I put bracket. Okay, next. Next, just simplify it. -3 minus 2 will be -5 square. Okay, plus -2 minus -1. Here will be +1. So here is -1. Okay, then you have 25. And -5 square is 25 plus -1 square is 1. So square root of 26. Okay, and the answer will be 5.099. for questions 1, PQ. And then for question S and for questions B2 and B3 are the same, QS and also QR. Just substitute the point, take these 2 points, and then you do with the same method, you're going to get the answer. So for B2, okay, you're going to have the answer is square root of 18. Okay, don't give me a final answer, I want the steps. But here I give the final answer for you all to check. Okay, so the final answer will be 4.243, and the other one, Q out, okay, will be square root of 41. The final answer is 6.403 units. Okay, so I hope you can do by yourself. Don't copy the answer. You have to do step by step for practice. Okay, next, now we look at question C, 1C. Okay, diagram show a right angle triangle. This one is a right angle triangle. So on the Cartesian plane, given that the PQ unit, the distance is 5 units. So we better write here first 5 units. Okay, so find the value of K. So look at this diagram. Is it other than PQ is 5 units? Is it other informations provided here? So let's say I don't know what is the coordinate of R, but you can see this one is on the y-axis. So that means the x here is 0. Okay, and the point Q here is 4. Okay, so we can get one more information is the distance between R and Q is 4 units. Here is 4 units. So what is the distance between P and R? So the distance between P and R, I can straight away write 3 units. PR is 3 units. Why? Because Pythagoras 3.345. Pythagoras 3.345. So the distance here is 3 units. Okay, because here showing right angle triangle. Okay, since that here is 3 units, so what is the value of R? What is coordinate of R? This from 8 go down by 3 units. So that means the R coordinate for R is 0 because y-axis, and then the coordinate for y is 8 minus 3. Okay, so the final answer for this coordinate of R is 0, 5. Okay, so that's all for question number 1. Please continue with questions number 2 in the next video. Thank you.